You bitch. Sheesh. And shush the sheesh. Why do you always have to be your own ducky now sometimes? So quacking at the pond. What? I say. Well, what? What? What does mean? Oh, what happened again? You better not be. Please. Oh, I was swimming in the pool, right? Alligator. Don't be so unnecessary. You guys. I mean, I wonder what's your turn, folks. Here, you have this one. I guess. No, let's try. Think about how many ideas you've got. Oh, so sweet. Heck. Wah, wah. Right. Bad idea, Alligator. It makes a Oh no! My danger to bulk will explode. My eye. My. Oh, good. Now it's Jolly's turn. Well, France there. What? No, don't! The Jolly has to be the corner. Oh, wait. Get that. You wanted to... Really, Mommy? Yes, Mario. What happened? All the gourds just want gourd. One. One. Tap one. Gourd. One. House. One. Yes, my. Hello, I'm news for you. Game 1, 2. Hey, dummy, I haven't been. Hi. on Wally's heart. Pump your blood. I'm pumping it. That's right, Dummy. Well, that's right, Dummy. I definitely knew this was bad luck. It was your fault. Just what happens. Hello? Anyone home there? Wally, your dinner is here. Wally. Wally. But wait. Wally. Good. Wally, what are you trying to do? Adopt Yoshi. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Wally, what are you trying to do? Adopt Yoshi. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Wally Gaia has that. But I'm so impossible for this one. I'm delayed. And you said it was so fun. That would be cool, usually. Like at the dinner, so fun. Meanwhile, look at that. Thanks a lot, Super You. You're welcome. Well, Super You, I have to travel along the way, please. How does your book feel? Good. Yes. Sometimes it looks like feel good. Okay, yeah.